Hello, welcome to WPM Home. Today we will guide you on how to set up the smart door lock. This smart lock is also certified under ANSI Grade 2. Besides that, there are up to 6 ways to unlock the door lock from password, NFC card, fingerprint, physical key, temporary password to dynamic password. You can also log into Tuya App once the lock is connected to the app and check on the door open records on your mobile phone. Just remember star key represent the setting button and hash key represent enter. Number 1. Add the administrator. Step 1. You can either remove the battery cover and short press the set button at the back panel or long press star key until the voice prompts, please add administrator. Step 2. Add the administrator card, fingerprint or password. For the card, just tap on the number panel. For fingerprint, you are required to tap 3 times to get accurate biometric data. For password, you are required to key in 6 to 8 digits password and end with hash for 2 times. Once the door lock captures the details, there will be a voice prompt, add successfully. Step 3. Repeat step 2 until 3 administrator details is added. Do remember that the first 3 fingerprint or passcode or card would be the admin, and it is required in the future when you want to make any changes to the door lock settings. We will suggest the first and second admin to be the NFC card provided in the box, and the third admin to be a 6 to 8 digits passcode. Number 2. Add user or family members. Step 1. To add the user, you will need to remove the battery cover and short press the set button at the back panel or long press star key until the voice prompts, please verify administrator. Step 2. Verify the administrator. Step 3. Add the user details. For card, just tap on the number panel. For fingerprint, you are required to tap 3 times to get the accurate biometric data. For password, you are required to key in 6 to 8 digits password and end with hash key for 2 times. Once the door lock captures the details, there will be a voice prompt, add successfully. Step 4. Repeat the step until all the users have been added. If you are required to delete the user, Step 1. Remove the battery cover and short press set button at the back panel or long press star key until the voice prompts, please verify administrator. Step 2. Verify the administrator and short press the set button at the back panel or long press star key again. Step 3. Select the options accordingly. Please note that this would delete all users' details under that category. Press 1 to remove all user fingerprints. Press 2 to remove all user passwords. Press 3 to remove all users' card access. Press 4 to remove all users. And step 4. Once it's complete, there will be a voice prompt successfully. Do note that the administrator can't be removed by doing this. If you need to reset the lock to factory setting, Step 1. Remove the battery cover and long press the set button at the back panel for 3 seconds until the voice prompts, please verify administrator. Step 2. Verify. And once it's verified, Step 3. The door lock will automatically restore to the factory default settings. Now, let's pair the door lock with Tuya App once you are done adding the admin and the users. Step 1. Download and open Tuya App. On top right, select App button and select Add Device. Step 3. On the Security and Sensor panel, select Wi-Fi lock. Now, on the smart door lock, short press 3 and hash key. Step 5. Verify the administrator. Step 6. Once it's verified, number 8 will blink rapidly. Now, back to Tuya App, connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi and click Next. Step 8. Select and confirm indicator is blinking rapidly and select Easy Mode. Then Tuya App will connect to the smart door lock automatically. Once it's connected, there will be a voice prompt, add successfully from the door lock. Let us introduce the control that can be done over the phone. Number 1. Check on the door opening records. At the bottom of the app, select Records. Then the app will show you all the records using which form of access at what time. Number 2. You can get a dynamic password which is valid for 5 minutes. Swipe left and the app will automatically generate a one-time password. Then key in the dynamic password and end with hash key to unlock the door. Number 3. Temporary password. At the bottom right, select Temporary Password. Key in the temporary password details including the validity period, then click OK. After that, users will be able to access using the password on selected period. And that's all for today, and don't forget to follow WPM Home Facebook and YouTube for more tutorial videos. See ya!